Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your streaming chat on Twitch, YouTube, or other service. Find and open the pop-out chat window. Copy the pop-out URL to your clipboard for later use. Decide whether you want a dark, light, or transparent chat theme in the chat settings. Configure font size and timestamps in the chat interface. Note recommended browser source dimensions of 300 by 600 pixels for a compact chat box. Open OBS and select the scene where you want the chat box to appear. Click the plus button, choose browser as the source, and name it clearly. Paste the chat pop-out URL into the URL field of the browser source window. Set width to 300 and height to 600 pixels, and set FPS to 30 for smooth updates. Enable refresh browser when scene becomes active if desired. Click OK to add the chat box into your scene layout. After adding the browser source, position the chat box on your canvas where viewers can see it. Use OBS transform tools to scale and crop the chat box for overlay alignment. If you need to remove borders, inject custom CSS in the browser source or use the chat provider theme. Keep the chat pop-out logged out for public streams to avoid exposing credentials. Test visibility on different stream resolutions, including 16 to 9 1920 by 1080 output. Save the scene and test a local recording before going live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.